Today, we'll learn how to install the latest Python versions. To download Python, just visit the official Python downloads page. I've added the link in the video description below. You can click at any time to go directly there. Here on the Python downloads page, you'll see a big button showing the latest stable version. Just click that button, and the download will start automatically. Once the download completes, you'll see the Python installer file on your computer. To start the installation, simply double-click the installer and follow the setup steps. When the setup window appears, don't forget to check Add Python to Path before clicking Installation. You can install Python by clicking Install Now, or choose Customize Installation. Now go with Customize. Make sure PIP is checked on the Options page, then click Next. Check Install Python for all users, then click Next. The installation will start, just wait a few minutes to complete. I'll fast forward the installation process, it usually takes a couple of minutes. Now that the installation is complete, let's verify that Python is working on your system. To verify the Python installation, we need to open the command prompt on your system. To do that, press Windows+ or on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Now, type CMD and press Enter. This will launch the command prompt window. Or, click the Windows Start button or press the Windows key, then search for CMD. You'll see command prompt. Click to open it also from here. Now, let's verify if Python is installed correctly. In the command prompt, type Python _version. This will display the installed Python version. If that doesn't work, try Python 3 _version. Next, let's check if PIP, Python's package manager, is installed. Type pip _version. If you see the version info, everything is set up correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python on your system.